Hi, how are you today? Welcome to our channel. I am GPS or Internet Marketing GPS. In this channel, we will prepare your mindset to accept money and accept being rich. And we will give you a lot of motivation speakers from a lot of speakers, famous speakers, and a lot of quotes and words that will prepare you to achieve your dreams. Then we will give you a lot of lessons to start your business, even if you have a low budget or you don't want to spend a lot of money in the beginning. And we help you also to grow up your business. This is our channel. This is what we produce and we put in your hands. If you find our content is very useful for you, please subscribe for the channel and like the videos if you found that there is a lot of benefits and a lot of people need to hear these videos. And don't forget to light up the ring button so you will be notified when our videos are up to our channel. So subscribe for the channel, like the videos, light up the ring button, and see you in the videos. Thank you guys. See you soon. Don't forget, do what's hard so life will be easy on you.